Hey guys, my name is Pam Trini and I'm going to show you how to make some mac and cheese. What I do is I put some garlic salt, some accent, wait for the water to boil, and I'm just working with what I have in the kitchen here. I have 2 packs of macaroni. There's those. There's 1 box. There's 2. And I'm cooking for about 6 people, so that's why I use so much macaroni. So now I'm going to strain the noodle. And by the way, I don't really measure. I just go by eye. So right now I'm rinsing off all of the starch. So now I'm going to pour the contents into the pan. So I usually don't use half and half, but it's Thanksgiving, so why not? Stir it. Slice. Add some more. Gianna, it's not ready yet. I'm going to add a little bit more salt to the mix. Add the half and half. Just sprinkle it through. For mac and cheese, you do need salt because it gives it that taste. You don't want it to be saltless. This is my secret ingredient, a little cayenne pepper. Light my oven to 350, and in about 10 to 15 minutes, it should be nice and melted and gooey and good. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
Okay. Jillian, why do you think we're making Thanksgiving?
Because I want you to eat it. I love my dad. How you doing?
Back, I'm just checking it.
I want some cheese. Please, please.
It still has some ways to go.
Can I have some macaroni and cheese?
Can the 2 of you please step back? Goodness. Just want to take it out of the oven. Here we go. And this is my little secret ingredient. Because the kids have to eat their veggies.
I see you, Mommy.
Huh?
I
What you
see
say?
you. You're slicing veggies.
Shh. Are you done?
No. I want to sing.
You want to sing?
I want to call me baboon.
Baboon.
Hey!
Oh gosh.
Sorry.
If you like this video, give it a like and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.